Gotta do a little bogging on the way to the L Dub.
Car pulling along 5 miles or whatever it is to put in.
Yeah,
Happy Martin Luther King Day! Mr. Cole Moore here. Got Mr. Jeremy Bisson.
Stay alive, baby.
The lowrider. Is he coming?
It pretty much feels like I'm in a creek though.
Oh yeah, it should.
You know?
I'm not that fan, but you know what I mean. Yeah.
Dreams come true, and sometimes still